right, we're up 10-3. First game. Good spot. It's gonna be trouble. Block it. Get there, doghouse. No, under. Doghouse. Good job, Big Al. Hey, serve this game out. 5-2. 9 more. There you go. That's in. Block it. Tip. Get there. Dig it. Great. Good spot. Oh, that's in. That was in. Okay, D it up. Good job, Sharon. Hey, nothing drops, Stat Daddy. Good serve. Help. Move up a little, girls. Move up a little. She's got to drop. Set the high ones. Close. Use it. Play on. Timeout.